Good morning. At SUPERAGENT AI, we have spent the last 2 years building the most advanced digital workforce in history. We gave you the retention agent to stop churn. We gave you the quoting agent to break the bottleneck. But even with these superpowers, there has been one invisible wall holding the entire insurance industry back. We talk to agency owners every day, and you tell us the same story. You have a CRM you love, you have an AMS you have to use, you have a dialer, you have email, and none of them talk to each other. You are forced to be human bridges, copying data from here, pasting it there. It is the swivel chair nightmare. It wastes time, it causes errors, and it forces you to choose mediocre software just because it integrates, rather than choosing the best software for your business. We asked ourselves, why should you have to compromise? Today, we are ending the compromise. We are not just announcing a feature, we are announcing a new philosophy for our platform. We believe your AI workforce should live everywhere your data lives. Introducing the Universal Integration Ecosystem. Starting today, SUPERAGENT AI connects to everything. Your CRMs, your AMS, your phone systems, your productivity tools. We are tearing down the walled gardens. To explain how we achieved this engineering breakthrough, I'd like to hand it over to our CTO, Vadym.
Thanks, Vlada. Installing insurance software is hard. The legacies are old, the APIs are complex, and most companies can build only 1 or 2 integrations per year, which is extremely slow in 2026. So we took a completely different approach. We built a universal layer. This layer allows our AI agents, retention agent, live call agent, quoting agent, to speak in the language of your existing stack, of your existing workflows. First, let's talk about CRMs. Whether you use Agency Zoom, Zoho, Salesforce, HubSpot, Better Agency, or any other CRM, we now can read from your CRM and we can write to your CRM and keep your contact record as a single source of truth. No manual data entry anymore. Next, the agency management systems. This is holy grail. On request, we can integrate with any big player, EasyLinks, Surefire, Novi AMS, or others. If you have an API key or AMS invite, we can integrate with Applied Epic, AMS 360, HawkSoft, and many more. Imagine when our retention agents call to your customers about their renewals, it doesn't just send an email to you saying, hey, I just made this action. It also logs an activity into your AMS. And finally, telephony. We're now agnostic. You love RingCentral? We integrate. You love Twilio? We integrate. You love Nextiva? We integrate. We don't want you to rip your existing phone numbers. We just want to make them smarter. But we didn't stop there. Through our new connectivity webhooks, we can now integrate with any everyday application. Google Sheet, Notion, Slack, Calendar, Calendly, any tool. If it has API, SUPERAGENT is now compatible. It is seamless, it is secure, and it is live. To tell you more what does it mean for you, Dave.
Wow, think about what Vadym just showed you. For 20 years you've been told, sorry, we don't integrate with that. Well, today that excuse is gone. So why should it matter? Why should you care? It's about time. We're seeing that when agencies turn on these integrations, they're saving about 2 hours per agent per day. That's 2 hours they aren't copying, pasting client names. That's 2 hours they're not manually logging left voicemail into an AMS. It's all about data integrity. When a human moves data, they make mistakes. When an AI moves data from your quote to a CRM, that's 100% accurate. Here's the real win. You no longer have to stay with a bad CRM because it talks to your AMS. You no longer have to stay with a clunky dialer because it came with a package. With SUPERAGENT's unified integrations, we build your dream stack. You pick the best tools in the world and we make it into one unified system.